All right, let's get into it. Go ahead and do some ribeye steaks here, right on the grill. Got some pork chops with the bone in. Get those on there. Gonna season these right on the grill. I like seasoning them on the grill. Some of that seasoning falls down to the bottom. Kind of adds some flavor in the air there. Get them turned, looking nice. Got some onions on there. Gonna throw those in the fire in a minute. And we got the steaks here almost ready. Get these pork chops flipped. Beautiful day, nice and hot. Got the, oh, there we go. Look at that, juicy ribeyes. Of course, got to hit the dew. Here we go. We're gonna get these cut up. Nice and easy. Delish. All right, there you go. There's a look.
Is it still running?
Get the rest of these chopped up. Go ahead and get that pork chopped up, the onion. Oh, nice catch. Here we go. Chop on. Get those tortillas on there. Got those tortillas up there for the burritos. Gonna make these tacos. Got some onions, pickled onions, green sauce,